Welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna have content on here focusing on different cars and things like that. Have some fun here. Well, this ain't too much fun. My wife's driver light, the low beam lighting has went out. On a Benz CLA 250. So it's not the light bulb. We've already replaced the light bulb, so it's the ballast module. So that's what I'm going to be doing tonight, is replacing that within her headlight assembly. So I have to take this all the way, gotta take the headlight all the way out. To get to the headlight, I gotta take the whole bumper off. So to take the bumper off this vehicle, 2014 CLA 250, there's some bolts under here that I have to take out. From this side to the other side, underneath the vehicle, there's some bolts I have to take out. On this side, there's some bolts I gotta take out. So yeah, I got a night ahead, man. Got a little fun I'm about to have, I guess. Up here, there's bolts I need to take out. This is one here. I gotta take this little panel piece off. I think it's one or two behind here. One right there. One here. One here. One here. And I think it's one over here. So, yep. I'm gonna start by disconnecting the battery, and then I'm gonna plug on in and have some fun. So I'll see y'all in a minute. I gotta take the veneers off. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, so we still at it. I've taken out all the bolts in the front here that's holding on the front bumper on both sides. So I disconnected the battery, and under here also, you can't see under there, but it was two bolts that was holding this part of the bumper on. So now we're gonna go ahead and yank this off. See, it's coming off pretty easy now. So we can get to the headlight assembly. So I'll be right back. All right, so I was able to get the headlight assembly out entirely. Again, with the headlight, it was a bolt here, a hex bolt, there, and it was one right here. All right, so I was able to get that removed. Ooh, so glad I didn't have to take the entire front bumper, fender, whatever off. All right, so the next part that we're gonna do is put the ballast control modules in the headlight assembly. So let's see, there's one control module, and the other is right there. So, yep, got the same parts. So far so good. We're gonna see once we get everything done if that low beam light come back on. So see y'all in the field. All right, so I went ahead and replaced the parts that I sold earlier. All righty, so we got the headlight back on. So far so good. Woo, it's cold out here. So yep, I should be all done. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and then I'll do one final little vid with everything back in place. All right, be right back. All right, still moving and grooving. I got the face back on, got them veneers back on. So just wanted to make sure after I screwed a couple things down, I'm not done yet, but I wanted to make sure everything is still good. Light still shining, baby. So I'm gonna finish up. It's got a couple more screws to put in here, and over here. Gotta get that back locked in place for the veneers. And underneath the ride, I gotta bolt down the protective paneling underneath the hood. It's about 4 bolts, so almost done here. So yeah, I'll let you in a minute. All right, I just finished up putting the veneers back on. Everything lined up good. I know them tires bald. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna replace the tires. So I don't know if we're gonna get. There's 2 in the front. The whole set. The backs are pretty good, but yeah, they pretty bald. But anyway, what we on right now is these lights. So replacing that control module on the driver headlight assembly over here, that seems to have took care of it. So we got the daylight running lights on, and also the regular beams, the low beams, they weren't on at all. So yep, everything is good. So yeah, I can go and eat breakfast. So keep an eye out. I'll be making a lot of different car videos. This is my first one on my channel, so. But yeah, she coming next. I'm gonna do one on old Zora. So yeah, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate for hanging out with your boy. All right, out.